Memoization in JavaScript. Let's take a look at that. So as we can see here we have the function, which is a classic implementation of the Fibonacci sequence using the recursive way. And at the line number 6, we are doing this console log, which is taking the considerable amount of time. Now what if I want this Fibonacci 40 result without the use of this function? And if we are able to do so, then we can save the computation, the amount of computation. So at the time of calculating this Fibonacci 40, what if we store the result for the Fibonacci 40 inside the cache? Then when again we require this Fibonacci 40 result, we can extract that result from the cache and display on our console. That is what we call memoization. So memoization is a technique used to optimize the performance of functions by storing the results of expensive function calls and returning the cached result when the same input occur again. And it significantly improves the performance, especially in the recursive calls or the functions with expensive computations. Now if we write the same code using the memoization, this is how it will look like. So what we are doing here we are taking one variable, that is cache variable, and we are returning here one function with the arguments here. So here we have another variable, that is key, and we are storing this key after converting it to the form of string. And later we are checking in the cache if that key exists or not. If that key exists, then we can directly return our result from here. Otherwise, what will happen? If we don't have that key inside the cache, we will create that key inside the cache and store the result there, and then after we will return the result from here. And as you can see, here we are using our memoize function to get the results for the Fibonacci sequence.